Groundbreakers has taken a very practical and sustainable route to food waste, and we should talk about it. Here, homes, we know that food waste is a huge issue, but it is so because of primarily two reasons. Firstly, food waste itself is not a good thing. We need to work on reducing food waste, but that's a different conversation. This is about what to do with food waste. What usually happens with food waste is that we either wash it away while washing the dishes, or we dump it along with other waste material in dustbins or some other forms, and most of them are pretty wasteful. Now, washing it away is just wasting away the organic matter that food contains and food waste contains, and dumping it with other waste is not just wasting that organic waste but also mixing it with other non-organic waste, non-decomposable waste, which adds usually adds to landfill or some other forms of pollution. And what is the solution to it? The pretty simple solution is segregating food waste separately from your other kind of waste, maybe wrappers, uh, single-use waste, paper waste, whatever, but keeping it separately. And how to do it? There are different ways of doing it, but the approach that I found in Ground because was the one that I really liked. What the system did is, after you eat your food, you are the one who wash your teeth. But before you wash your teeth, there is a dedicated place to dump whatever food that you have into that dedicated dustbin, and that is collected after every meal, and the combined food waste is then used to a part of composting, and which can then lead to some kind of organic manure or some other form, which is something I did not look deep into. But it's the making you responsible for your waste, for your food waste, by making sure you are the one who washing the dishes. That makes you a bit confused about how much food you are wasting, because you don't want to waste. Washing dishes that are full of food stuck to it is less pleasant than washing a dish that has been cleaned while eating. And the second is, you dump the food particles, the food waste particle, into a dedicated dustbin that can be used properly later on. And I find that combination very good, and it's pretty easy to replicate as well. So I feel we should do something about that and scale that even in our homes or other places. Yeah,